These 5 common English words with 5 uncommon English words that you can use daily in your conversations. The first word is amalgam. Amalgam means combination or mixture. So you can say our breakup was due to amalgam of issues, or simply my decision was influenced by amalgam of factors. The second word is ascertain. Ascertain means figure out. You can say, before I book a flight, I need to ascertain how it affects my finances. The third word is curious. We all know what curious means. It means being inquisitive about something. But here I'm going to teach you something unique. You can use curious in the place of weird. So instead of telling your friend who's asking a weird question to you that, what a weird question, you can actually say, what a curious question. Now let's learn a fancy word. So this word is dilapidated. It's not dilapidated, it's dilapidated. This word means old. So the next time you want to use the word old in a sentence, instead of that, you can use this word dilapidated. You can say, oh my God, your car is dilapidated. The next word I'm going to teach you is fallacious. Fallacious means false. So you can say, I don't believe in your fallacious tears. The final word is ghastly. You can use this word instead of ugly. So you can say, oh my God, the crime scene was so ghastly, I couldn't even look at it. If you like the content of this video, I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon for more updates.